Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm on a mission to visit all 54 countries on the beautiful continent of Africa.
Voilà, donc là on fait cuisson vapeur, les noix, c'est la noix qu'on met là. Donc tu mets de l'eau en bas, 60 kg, tu mets les noix, 60 kg. Et le feu vous le placez en dessous carrément et vous laissez 1 heure de temps de cuisson. Donc là on ramollit la noix, ramollit et après 1 heure, vous tirez, vous récupérez et vous laissez sécher au soleil. Donc on fait sécher juste pour faciliter le décortiquage.
We steam the walnuts and remove them to lead the dance. You put water at the bottom and there you want 60 kilograms. You put the months as kg in the oven, place it below squarely and leave you an hour of cooking time. So to soften the love in bed and after 1 hour recover and you dry them in the sun, so we dry just to do.
Cashews poisonous. When you peel them, there's a resin like some kind of coating that makes them poisonous.
Cooking.
So cooking it is taking away the toxin. So if I want to kill you, I mix the resin and I feed it to you?
Non, ça tue pas quoi, parce que quand tu commences, ça attaque carrément la bouche. Donc tu n'arrives pas à continuer à manger. Voilà. Donc il faut carrément, même vous croquez la noix brute, tu ne peux pas arriver. Même les animaux ils mangent pas. L'huile là, donc pour motiver, je peux goûter et après j'arrête. C'est ça. Ça rate. Ça rate.
Okay. Okay.
And
And so, you don't know that cashews are toxic. You basically cook it to a certain temperature for a certain period of time, and that allows that toxin to dissipate, and it makes the cashews perfect. People always wonder why cashews are expensive. It's a 5-step process just to get those cashews that we see in the supermarket. So after all that cleaning and boiling and baking and all of that stuff and drying out in the sun, it is such a laborious process that's the reason why they're so expensive.
Donc c'est ça. Cashew nut.
Okay.
Voilà. Donc là c'est avec la coque. Donc là tu casses ça.
So
By one.
really? Oh, one by one.
One by one. Crack. Vas-y, tu mets.
So one by one,
Ouais,
they crack this in this machine. So now, listen, don't complain about the cost of cashews the next time you buy a jar of cashews because they're expensive. No. Ooh. My cameraman's gonna get fired. So it's like black and it's sticky. I don't know if you can see it. Before, this is after cooking.
After cooking, yes.
We cut my finger off.
Tu vois ça.
Okay. Put this. I can't crack a nut. Not just me. He's the expert and it took him 2 tries to get it done. Can you see that? 2. Wow. Whew. We still have another process. So the first process is after they pick the fruit from the tree, because it's actually a fruit. They put it into the bin to cook it. The second part is to come in and take it now after the fruit has been boiled down and to cut it. And now we're going to go over to the third part.
Suffit tout autour à l'intérieur, qui va rester que de la chaleur, de l'air chaud à l'intérieur.
So does the chimney stay open or does the chimney stay closed?
Quand il y a la fumée qui dégage.
Okay. Okay.
C'est ouvert. C'est le feu, c'est un petit peu là qui passe. La fumée.
Interesting.
Voilà. Donc là, on est devant. Et ici, en double paro.
Wow. So the wood that they use is mahogany wood.
Cashew, c'est la pomme.
C'est la pomme de cajou. Mais ce qui... Expliquez
I'm confused.
Voilà. Donc, amande de cajou. Quand je dis de cajou, c'est l'amande de cajou, la noix. C'est la noix qu'on appelle, on peut l'appeler la noix de cajou. Mais ce qui est à l'intérieur qu'on mange, on l'appelle amande de cajou.
That's it, so cashew fine when I say of your days. It's the fine of you add the black, it's the me we can call it the cashew nut, but it's who inside how we call cashew kernel.
Ah.
You understand?
Yes. I kept on hearing almond, which is another seed. I'm thinking almond, cashew, almond. Okay.
40 kilos et 6 heures de temps.
40 kilo.
40 kilos. 40 kilos. 2.2 pounds is 1 kilo.
Enlever la pellicule.
So you have to peel it.
Pile. Voilà.
Ah.
Quatrième étape.
4 is
4 layers.
Et puis là.
That's it, so cashew fine when
Okay.
One by one.
Every single nut,
Ouais.
someone sits and peel it. No machine.
yes. 4 is de pellicule.
I have a whole nother appreciation for the cashew nut. Like,
Grillé salé, grillé piment, grillé simple aussi. Et produit ça soit natural.
natural. We have grilled simple. We have grilled ginger. Oh, that sounds interesting. My mother would love that. Margie, grilled mild. Grilled pepper, pimentos.
Pimental.
We have grilled salt. That's the one I'm gonna buy. Pepper. Pepper. So that's double pepper. $1.60 in US. And this one?
2004.
This
Five.
is 2005. So 1,000 is like $1.60. So I failed math in high school and in college. So do the math. So if 1,000 is $1.60, you can figure that out. So I'm
Alcohol.
Hot.
Eau de vie.
Alcohol.
Eau de vie de
alcohol.
Ah, tu peux mettre un-
What?
Ah, eau de vie.
Wine.
Oh, cashew wine.
Wine, distillé. Distillé.
It's strong. Oh, yeah. So basically, this is cashew moonshine. That's what we call it. 'Cause look how clear this is. What? Let me try a little because I'm not buying that. I'm not a drinker.
It's nice.
That's kind of sweet. Oh, I usually don't like raw. I usually don't like the raw because they taste kind of bitter. But that is sweet. So I'm going to get a small raw. I like my roasted salt. Which one is that? Okay, we'll do these 4. Okay, so this is an animist community.
No.
Oh, okay. This is just the cashew place.
Yes, cashew place.
Okay.
After
So
you
I
going
thought-
to the animist place.
I thought this was the animist community, but it's not. This is the cashew farmer. So we have another stop.